Dúisígh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and let's learn how to tell someone to wake up in Irish. Dúis-ee. Wake up. Dúis-ee. Dúis-ee. That's when speaking to one person. If speaking to more than one person, you say Dúisigí. Dúisigí. Wake up. Dúisigí. Another way to say wake up is Múscail. Wake up. Múscail. If saying it to more than one person, it's Músclaígí. Wake up. Músclaígí. Are you still confused by Irish spelling and pronunciation? If so, try Crack Irish Gaelic Pronunciation on Udemy.